If you have a massive tree like this and you're building the fence and you don't know how to get around it, don't want to attach to the fence, I think I found a solution. Stay tuned. All right, so we're putting in this fence here and we got a tree in the way. Actually, we got a couple trees in the way. I can only get a post so close to the tree because of these big roots. And attaching to a tree, I think, is never a great idea because this tree is going to grow, it's going to sway, it's going to do various things. So I want to keep a little bit of a buffer. So I searched high and low for some ideas and I really couldn't find anything. And this little hack that I came up with, so maybe it'll help you guys out. I saw other people putting their posts a lot closer to the tree and just hanging off the 2x4s a little bit. Couldn't work in this big tree here. So this is pretty far to just have this cantilever. And again, attached to the tree long term is not going to be a great solution because there's no movement here. And that tree is just going to keep pushing up on the fence. So we got a structural lag. This one is 5/16 by 4 inch. You can use whichever size you need. And I got a 2-hole EMT strap in the electrical section. So this is in your hardware section. This is in your electrical section. What I'm going to do is I'm going to screw this into the tree and I'm going to use the strap around it. And what that's going to do is give me some play. So temporarily I tack this just so I can lay out my fence. Again, this is what I think I want to avoid, because this tree as it grows is going to push this whole thing up, and as it grows out it's going to push into my 2x4. So I can trim this back a little bit and I can do annual maintenance. So what I'm going to do here is take the structural lag and I'm going to run it right next to the 2x4. Right about that far in. And then I'm going to take my conduit strap, put it right on my 2x4. Take my conduit strap here, put it across the lag bolt. So what I've accomplished here is still allowing the fence post not to move out of place if somebody hits it, but also allowing this tree to be able to move in and out. And again, you can refine this a little bit if you have other lag bolts or other straps. The concept here is to kind of have a slip fitting so that your tree can move, can grow, and still has a little bit of buffer, and then you can maintain it every few years, possibly trim this back, remove this, trim it back, and then replace it. But this is kind of the best idea that I came up with to attach to a fence. This is kind of the best idea I came up with to attach a fence to a tree without having the problem of the tree growing into the fence. So hopefully this helps you guys out. For us, that's going to be a great solution, and it's going to keep the fence in place once we get the rest of the pickets in, and allow this tree to expand over years. And I'll keep an eye on it, trim it back, reinstall it as needed. But I think that's going to be a great solution for the problem that I couldn't find a solution for. So hopefully this helps you guys out.